Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, Integrated Campus, Hyderabad, Structural Engineering 1 RCC. I am Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In last videos, we discussed about materials. In previous videos, design and then materials. In today's lecture, we will see what is the PCC, RCC, PSC and steel, that is reinforcement. If you look at PCC, what is PCC? Full form of PCC, plain cement concrete, that is which is not having any type of reinforcement is PCC, plain cement concrete. RCC, reinforced cement concrete. With reinforcement you have PSC, pre-stressed concrete. Okay, generally this pre-fabricated components, that is also undercomes pre-stressed concrete and steel structures, steel reinforcement. First question, what is the cement? You studied in your previous subjects, previous semesters, what is cement? Here I will briefly explain what is cement. Cement is manufactured by calcifying calcareous material, lime, argillaceous materials, that is shale and clay, at the required temperature, that is around 1400 degrees centigrade to 1500 degrees centigrade, and then clinker so formed is ground to fine powder. Basically it is a calcareous material and argillaceous material, that is slay and clay, that will come under the defined temperature and pressure in the clinker, and it is made to into fine powder, that is cement. Cement is a simple definition, you can elaborate that one. What is the use of cement? Generally in all building constructions will use cement. Okay, there is no structure without cement in RCC. Okay, see the differences you observe. Any structure, RCC structure or PCC, definitely without cement there is no structure. See, it can be used for filling a small crack size of paste. Suppose already existing buildings with the cement paste, you can, for temporarily you can fill up with some its paste by using some chemicals. And in last video I explained what is the use of cement. It will act as a binding material in the mortar of cement concrete. So this is one of the important point I told you, that is cement is mainly used as a binding material in the mortar and concrete, cement mortar. So this is what is the cement. Next will come, if you look at PCC, plain cement concrete, it is a mixture of cement, sand, coarse aggregates, and water is known as plain cement concrete. As I said, plain cement concrete. There is no reinforcement. Only the mixing of your cement, sand, coarse aggregate with water with the proper proportionate. That is PCC. Say PCC 1:4:8. Suppose under the foundation, below the foundation. It's a level course. Generally, we will use 1:5:10, 1:4:8. What is that? You know what is the proportionate? One is cement, 4 is sand, and 8 is aggregate of size 40 mm, and the required proportion of your water. This is the plain cement concrete. This is a mixture of cement, mixing of cement, sand, coarse aggregates, and water is known as plain cement concrete. A small quantities of admixtures like entertaining agents, waterproof agents, workability agents may be added to impart special properties to the plain cement concrete. See, this is important in construction of dams and only small structures with PCC, with your aggregates around 20 mm like that. If these are there, we are going to add admixtures, air entraining agents, waterproofing agents, workability agents. Workability should be good. What is workability? You know. So these are added to impart special properties to plain cement concrete. So what is the use of plain cement concrete generally? That we will see. See, as I said, repeatedly discussed what is the use of PCC bed. That is below walls of the footings. Below the footings or stone masonry. After excavation of your building, this is first item after leveling, excavation. Excavation, if it is load bearing, you will have that is excavation for basement. So below your basement, or if it is RCC structure with columns and beams, slabs, footings. So you have footings. Below the footings, we will have PCC bed with different proportionate 1:4:8, 1:5:10, even sometimes 1:66:18. So, but generally we will prefer 1:4:8 for leveling under the below. And below the beams, plinth beams also will have a concrete bed. This is a plain cement concrete. And below your windows and ventilators and sills, you will get some gaps that is covered by your PCC. Okay, as a sill concrete to get a hard and even surface at windows and ventilators sills. Okay, this is we can use it near the windows also. A coping concrete over the parapet and compound walls. See, it's a bond just like we'll use when in 4 inches wall or parapet walls or compound walls, in between you have a bed. that is plain cement concrete. Sometimes you use one single reinforced for the avoid shear failures. But you can use PCC bed also. See, in the between, suppose 4 feet height, above 3 feet or 2 feet, you will have a small bed of PCC bed. The flagging the area around the buildings. Near building, around your building, to avoid unnecessary this um, some types of your wastage, this thing, to have a good look, you will have PCC around your buildings. This one more important in the transportation engineering in pavement, rigid pavement. See, we will use PCC only. PCC pavements is also known as rigid pavements, where we may not use reinforcement, that is in making of pavement which is having better durability, serviceability. Only initial cost is more, but the life is also more compared to your flexible pavement. So this is very useful in the pavement. For making tennis courts, basket courts, like in the sports, if you see, really this is very important point, proper how we are making, if you go and see search your tennis court, you have to go in a depth of some 100 mm to 150 mm, 200 mm. You have to fill with your PCC with the proper proportionate, and also in basketball courts will use plain cement concrete. Okay, so in next class we'll see RCC. Okay, so thank you.